Now we're going to either add or subtract rational expressions that have denominators with variables that have exponents. So here we have a denominator that has 4v squared, and we're asking to add it to 7 over 8v squared. So we have two different denominators here. And the variable terms, they have exponents to them. So the concept is the same. We still need to find the least common denominator for both of them. And the way we do it is the same way. We look at 4v squared and we look at 8v cubed. So if I break down 4v squared into its prime factors, I have 2 times 2, and then I have v times v, right, which is just v squared. And with 8, I have 2 times 2 times 2. And I have a v cubed. And remember, the least common denominator is we're looking for any factors. They don't have to even be the same, but we need to take the most out of each of those factors. So in our case here, we have 2 as a factor, and we have 3 2's. That's the most number we have between the two denominators. And then we have a v, and the most v's we have are 3 of them. And we have v times v times v here. So our LCD, our least common denominator, is 8v cubed. Now I'm going to go ahead, just like we've done in all the other problems where we're adding or subtracting rational expressions, we need to put them in terms of this least common denominator. So if I take 3 over 4v squared, I want that to equal a rational expression that has 8v cubed as its denominator. So how do I go from 4v squared to 8v cubed? Well, if I multiply the denominator here by 2v, I'm going to get 8v cubed. And if you don't see that right away, let's just work down here for a minute. You can always say, well, my goal is to get the 8v cubed. So I can divide it by what I've got, and that's just going to leave me with 2v, which is what we have right there. So, all right, we'll go back to this, and we're going to say, well, if I multiply my denominator by 2v, that means I have to what? I have to multiply my numerator by 2v as well, right? So now I can work across, and I have 2v times 3. That gives me 6v. So now I've expressed 3 over 4v squared as 6v over 8v cubed. My other fraction already has the least common denominator, so I don't even have to do anything with that. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're going to rewrite our original expression. So instead of writing 3 over 4v squared, we're going to replace that with 6v over 8v cubed. So we're rewriting it as 6v over 8v cubed plus, and we're already fine here. We have 7 over 8v cubed. So we don't have to change that. We can put that all under the same, or all over the same denominator. And we've got on top, on the numerator, we've got 6v plus 7. We can't combine these two, right, because they're not like terms. So this is as simplified as we're going to get. So our answer is 6v plus 7 over 8v cubed.